Hello everyone. Welcome to the class once again to heterocyclic compounds. In the last video or previous video, we studied about classification and nomenclature of heterocyclic compounds. In this video, we are going to study about five-membered heterocyclic compounds. So, in that five-membered heterocyclic compounds, we are going to study about synthesis, molecular structure and aromaticity, electrophilic substitution reactions. Let us see heterocyclic compound, that is five-membered heterocyclic compounds. So in the classification, we have studied about five-membered heterocyclic compounds containing one heteroatom, five-membered heterocyclic compounds containing two heteroatom, six-membered heterocyclic compounds containing one heteroatom and two heteroatoms, and then conjugated heteroatoms. Here we are going to study about synthesis of five-membered heterocyclic compounds. For example, pyrrole, furan, thiophene, pyrrolidine, tetrahydrofuran and thiolane. Among that, in this chapter, we are going to study about furan, thiophene and pyrrole synthesis. The synthesis is from Pahl-Knorr synthesis. Furan, thiophene and pyrrole are synthesized by Pahl-Knorr synthesis. In this method, 1,4-diketone is used for the synthesis. So let us see the synthesis of pyrrole. 1,4-diketone, in that I have taken example of hexane 2,5-dione. If this CH3 group is hydrogen, then it becomes 1,4-diketone. But here methyl group is present, therefore the ketonic group which having the carbon having ketonic group becomes a second carbon and another carbon becomes fifth carbon, therefore it is hexane 2,5-dione. When this hexane 2,5-dione treated with ammonia, a mole of water is removed. So one of the ketonic group reacts with ammonia, a mole of water is removed and imine group is substituted here. Now one of the pi bond of CN bond is shifted to carbon. So nitrogen carbon new bond is formed here. Now the bond electrons of this CH are given here. So H plus is removed. Then OH minus is removed. So total again another mole of water is removed. A new double bond is formed here. So this is 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole. So derivative of pyrrole is prepared. So 2,5-dimethyl pyrrole is prepared by Pahl-Knorr synthesis by using 1,4-diketone. Furan synthesis. Let us see the method here. Again 1,4-dicarbonyl compound is taken. An enolizable 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. It means in the first, that is hexane 2,5-dione, ketonic group is present. When this ketonic group, so this compound undergo isomerization to form enol, that is double bond and OH group. En refers to double bond, OL refers to alcohol group. So keto form is converted into enol form. This is a special type of isomerization and that is called as tautomerization. The process is here keto-enol tautomerism. Ketonic form is converted into enol form. This special isomerism is called tautomerism. So this is called keto-enol tautomerism. So hexane 2,5-dione undergo tautomerization to form enol form. It converted into enol form. This enol form is dehydrated. For that dehydration, different reagents such as sulfuric acid, zinc chloride, phosphorus pentoxide may be used. So in this reaction, phosphorus pentoxide is taken. So it undergo dehydration and gives furan. Again it is 2,5-dimethyl furan. The same when enol form is treated with phosphorus pentasulfide. Here also it undergo dehydration and it gives thiophene. Again it is derivative of thiophene, 2,5-dimethyl thiophene is obtained. So in this method we can synthesize thiophene and furan both. For that, the keto form is converted into enol form. Then enol form is dehydrated to get furan, or instead of phosphorus pentoxide, if you are using phosphorus pentasulfide, then thiophene is obtained. So these are the synthesis of 5-membered compounds pyrrole and furan thiophene. Pyrrole, furan and thiophene by use 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds. The method is Pahl-Knorr method. So in the next video, we are going to study about molecular structure of 5-membered compounds. Thank you.